Today I'm here with a 15-minute beginner's Tai Chi session. Easy to follow, low impact, great for beginners, seniors, anyone looking for gentle exercise, and also a perfect way to keep moving at home if you're suffering with arthritis, chronic pain, or painful joints. So let's get started. Welcome everybody, especially those who are new to Tai Chi and trying it for the first time today. We're starting with our feet hip width apart. Ground your feet to the floor, lift up through the body. Try and maintain good posture throughout the session and keep everything relaxed. We're going to start with a gentle knee bend, sinking the weight down into a mini horse stance. Keep the posture tall as you do so. Let's add some simple arms pushing forwards, like we're pushing something heavy out of the way. Focus on those moving hands. Changing the arm movements, we're breathing out and we're coming back to cross hands, crossing the arms across the chest. Let's repeat that all again from the beginning. Standing tall, and we're going to breathe the arms up and open the chest nice and high, and then bring the arms down again. Let's gather the chi. We're going to do all those again. I'm going to take my feet a little bit wider so I can sink into a deeper horse stance. Breathing in and breathing out on the effort of the bend. Remember to keep the posture tall, lift up through the crown even when we're sinking into the horse stance, and pull belly button through to spine to engage our core muscles. Repeating all that again from the beginning. Sink a little bit deeper and really enjoy the flow. During this final time through, I want you to focus on those moving hands. Really try to feel the movement and connect mind to body. We're moving on this time, adding a side bow stance, shifting the weight across and moving our hand to hold the mirror across the body. Then changing into our cloud hands. I'm going to repeat that side bow section again, shifting the weight across and adding the arm movement, lifting up to hold the mirror. stepping the feet to our parallel stance. So we're going to slow it down to gathering the chi, relaxing down, and really expand the lungs and chest to get a big breath in and breathing out nice and slowly as the hands go down. Stepping the feet together and bringing the hands round one final time to rest at the dantian and finish this wonderful beginner's Tai Chi session. I hope you've really enjoyed today's session. Do remember to give me a thumbs up and a like this session if you've enjoyed it, and check out some of the other video sessions on the channel. Lots to choose from. Keep on moving and I'll see you again soon. Bye.